And if you're not really confident about what you know, and you're confident about your prediction what other people know or don't know, you can't possibly be putting that kind of a money when the thing's going into a free fall, when it looks like you're really losing all your money, when everybody else is laughing at you, all the smart guys. So you must be able to first do accurate and complete.
You shameless cloner. Want to track portfolios of famous value investors like Warren Buffett? See their buys and sells, current and historical holdings? Just visit valueinvesting.guru. It is valueinvesting.guru. Link in the description.
Yes. Yes, go ahead.
What are some of the more common mistakes made now in this analysis?
What?
In the research that you do, what are some common pitfalls?
Well, the most, okay, so if you're analyst, okay, I always tell my analysts, I only need two things from you. And if you want to be an analyst, and you need to be an analyst, of course, before you become a good investor, you want to provide accurate and complete information. Accurate and complete. Most people failed on both scores big time. And you just have to go to that extra length in order to get it done. If you can't succeed on that one, you can't succeed in this business. Because most of the time, you're going to stand alone, basically against just about everybody else. And if you're not really confident about what you know, and you're confident about your prediction what other people know or don't know, you can't possibly be putting that kind of a money when the thing's going into a free fall, when it looks like you're really losing all your money, when everybody else is laughing at you, all the smart guys. So you must be able to first do accurate and complete. And the second thing, in this business, okay, most money are not made on those stocks I was just talking about. Your biggest amount of money you're going to ever make is not from that. Those are things that really get your bread and get your basic business going and give you the basic returns. They do not provide you outsized return. Even if both stock went up 5-6 times, they do not give you the outsized returns. If you're a value investor in the truest sense, okay, so there are two schools. I mean, you can do the Tweedy Browns, you can do the Ben Grahams, or you can do the Buffett and Munger type, which is more of kind of what I'm interested in. If you want to be that one, your return is going to come from a handful, no more than number on the two hands, in your entire life of maybe 50 years of tremendous insight. Tremendous insight you're going to gain that no other people have. How do you really build that insight? There's no other way other than basically continuous curiosity, intense curiosity, continuous study for your whole life.